Hello, Diego. For this video lesson, we're going to go over a few exercises and then go over the Becoming the Archetype song that you requested last week. So to start off, we'll do right hand, right foot. Left hand, left foot. Together. So 2 hands, 2 feet, 4 hands, 2 feet. Next thing, we got this measure 2. Right hand, high tom, left, right, left. Next tom, left, right, left snare. Next tom, left, right, left snare. So there's a cool exercise to do there. Next thing, here's a YouTube short I found where this gospel chop was. Snare high tom, right left, and then you go middle, snare right left, kick. Do something cool with that one. Next one, the very common fill. Snare high, low, low. After that, kick, crash with the snare, kick, crash, snare, kick, crash, snare. Cool things with that one. After that, let's go over that You Suffer. So remember, you can put all kicks under those 5 beats. So you can go hi-hat with the kick, snare with the kick, hi-hat with the kick, snare with the kick, hi-hat with the kick. So there's the exercises for today. Now the song from Becoming the Archetype. So to start off, we have the intro, which is the ride. It goes from the regular ride right here to the bell ride. So 1, 2, 1, 2, bell ride, bell ride. After that, you start with the bell right here, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But every other one is just the ride, and every other one is the bell. So it goes like this. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So just remember bell and then regular ride every other time. So one more time with that one. From the beginning with the 2, it's just ride, ride. And at 10 seconds, you go hi-hat, kick with the crash. 1, 2, crash, crash, 3 hi-hats. After that quick, the 3 hi-hats, and then it's a quick kick into the kick with the crash. right there, you'll hear a bell with the hi-hat. So it's right here after the quick kick, and right before that's the 3 hi-hats at the beginning. It's 1, 2, 3. And then grab that last one. After that, at 20 seconds, you'll hear crash with the kick, a delayed kick, and into the main pattern, which is just kick and then ride with the snare. So it's that's the main groove for a lot of the song right there. The crazy part are all the fills. So we'll go through all, there's 5 fills up to 1 minute and 20 seconds. So fill 5's right there. We'll go over the fills and then the second groove that happens. So after a while of so 1, 2, 3, 4 snare kick, and then after that, so it's 1, 2, 3. You'll hear the hi-hat, and then it goes back to the ride with the kick, or ride snare and ride and then kick. Fill 2 is where it gets pretty crazy. 2 snare, 3 high, middle, low. Use your right hand. 1, 2, 3, right. Kick, flam, and a fast kick with the crash. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, middle, low, kick, flam, into a fast kick with the crash. And then that's when the next groove happens. So one more time. And all you're doing there, let me show you right here. So I'm just doing this part, and that repeats. It does get a little weird there at like 46 seconds. So don't worry about that. Just keep this groove going. So it's a lot of kick in between the hi-hat and then hi-hat with the snare. So I'll just start right here. So it's just kick, hi-hat with the snare, kick, hi-hat, kick, hi-hat with the snare, kick, crash with the kick. So make sure you get that kick in between the beats there. That can get a little confusing. So that's the second main groove that he uses. So fill 1, or actually groove 1 is just kick with and then ride with the snare. Fill 1, 3 crashes, 4 snare, kick. Fill 2. And then fast kick with the crash. There it is. And then the next groove. Just make sure you get those kicks in between the hi-hat and the hi-hat with the snare. So just practice doing that for a little bit. And you'll hear the double kicks at the start of the measure and at the end of each measure. Work on that one. The next fill right here. Okay. It's left, right snare, high, low, kick, crash with the snare. And then I would start the snare with the left-right, just so you can go left-right for the high and low tom. So there's that one. Oh, and then that other groove keeps going on. After that, the next fill. Oh, I forgot to label that one, and the other fills are mislabeled, so whoops. Okay, fill this one, actually fill 4. It's kick, kick, snare, snare, kick, kick, low, low, kick, kick, crash with the snare. After that, you immediately go back into the groove. Fill 4. Let me zoom out a little bit. Or actually fill 5 because I mislabeled it. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. In with the kick with the crash. Oh. There we go. After that, you gotta mute that last crash because then you go 1. There will be 4 more crashes, and then it goes back into groove 1. You'll hear that at 107. Flam, 1, 2, 3. At right before the breakdown, fill 5, which is actually fill 6. How you do that one? You go kick, 2 rides with the snare, high tom 4 times. Oh. Middle. After that, then you go high with the middle, low with the middle. You see how whenever you go over to the middle, your hands are in the right place for the high middle. You just move over for low middle. After that, after those two, snare with the hi-hat, kick with the crashes. So slowly. And you start slowing down towards the end of that fill. So. There's that one. I think that's all the fills for that beginning right before the breakdown. So just one more time, a recap. We have the ride. One, two, three. That groove goes on for a while. So fill 1 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick. And then back into that groove. The next fill recap right here. There's that fill. Snare high, so snare 2, high 3, middle low, kick flam, kick boom. I think that one might be my favorite. Next fill that I forgot to label at 43 seconds. Left right snare, high low, kick, snare with the crash. The next groove that they do, which is actually also in between fill 2 and 3 that I didn't label. I just added a little bit extra kicks right there, but just make sure it's alternating. The next fill right here, after a while of that groove, it's this groove or this fill. The next fill 4, which is actually 5. Oop. So kick, kick, and then 4, 4, 4, 4. Kick with the crash. After some muted crashes with kicks. Into groove 1. At 107, flam. And then the last fill, which is actually fill 6. Slowly. Into the breakdown. One more time. Kick, snare with the ride twice. 4 highs. Middle. High plus middle. Low plus middle. Hi-hat with the snare. Kick. Kick with the crashes. And then it goes into the breakdown. And then a lot of these grooves and fills can come back later. So once you get this intro down, which we'll go over when you feel better, it'll be fun time. All right, so have fun practicing that when you're better, and hopefully see you maybe in like 2 weeks. All right.